Ever notice your car's audio losing its edge? The crisp highs, the deep lows. Just not what they used to be. If you're driving a GM vehicle and want to bring your music back to life, replacing your old speakers with genuine ACDelco GM original equipment speakers is a smart move. These aren't just any replacements. They're recommended by GM to restore your audio system's original sound quality. What makes these speakers stand out? They're crafted to meet GM's exact specifications for fit, form, and function. That means a seamless installation and performance that matches what your vehicle had when it rolled off the lot. Inside, they use the same technology you expect, converting electrical signals into mechanical motion with precision. When your radio or amplifier sends current to the voice coil, it creates magnetic poles that move the speaker cone back and forth, producing clear, balanced sound. The result is music that sounds just right, whether it's your favorite playlist or the latest podcast. I've seen firsthand how these speakers bring a noticeable difference. One customer from the U.S. shared how their package arrived on time and in perfect condition, and the speakers worked exactly as expected, delivering the familiar stock sound quality without compromise. That kind of reliability and consistency matters when you want your car audio to perform without fuss. If you're tired of muffled or distorted sound, upgrading with ACDelco GM original equipment speakers is worth a look. They offer the durability and service life you expect from General Motors, so you won't be replacing them anytime soon. Plus, because they're designed specifically for GM vehicles, you avoid the hassle of ill-fitting aftermarket parts. Ready to hear your music the way it was meant to be heard? These speakers deliver what changes your driving experience: clear, rich sound that keeps your favorite tunes alive on every trip. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car's audio system with confidence and quality you can trust.